I run my entire content business solo, no team, no tech background. Every week, I create my posts, my captions, my images, and my videos, all inside one tool called Claude. And today, I'm going to show you my exact screen, everything I do, step by step. If you think you're not tech savvy enough for this, stay with me because I thought the exact same thing. And if I can do this, you can do this. Let's go.
Here's exactly what I'm going to show you today. First, how I open Claude and go straight into my project. Everything is already set up and waiting for me. Second, how I write a Facebook post in under 5 minutes. I'm going to show you exactly what I type and what Claude does with it. Third, how I grade that post so I know it's actually good before I put it out. Fourth, how I create a branded image with my real face on it. I upload my photo, Claude builds the image, and it downloads straight to my folder. Fifth, how I create a short video using the same system. And sixth, how I post everything to Facebook and Instagram. That's it. Real, simple, step by step. Let's get into it. Step 1. Get Claude. What you need before anything else. Before we do anything, you need Claude on your computer. So let me show you exactly how to get it. Open your browser and go to claude.ai. You're going to see this page. Click where it says sign up. Create your account, just your email and a password. Takes 2 minutes. Now here's something important I want to be upfront about. Claude has a free version, but for what I'm going to show you today, you need the paid plan. It's called Claude Pro. The reason you need Pro is simple. The free version limits how much you can use Claude in a day. For creating posts, images, and videos, the way I do it, you'll hit that limit fast. Pro gives you everything you need with no limits. Click Upgrade, choose Claude Pro, and complete the payment. Once that's done, now you need to download the desktop app. This is the version we're going to use today. It's called Claude for Desktop, or Claude Cowork. On the Claude.ai page, look for where it says Download for Mac or Download for Windows, depending on your computer. Click that. Once it downloads, open the file and install it. On a Mac, you drag it to your Applications folder. On Windows, you just run the installer and click through. Once it's installed, open it. You'll log in with the same email and password you just created, and you're in. This is Claude for Desktop. This is where everything happens. Now let me show you how to set up your project. Step 2. Open your project. Now look at the left side. You see where it says Projects. I click on that, and here's my project, AI Digital Society. I click on it. This is my workspace. Everything is in here. Claude already knows who I am, who my audience is, how I talk, what I do. I set that up once and it stays here forever. See these files on the side? That's my brand brief. That's my style guide. Claude reads all of this every time I start a conversation, so I never have to explain myself again. This is why working in a project is so important. Never just open a random chat. Always come to your project. Because your project has your context. Claude knows your business. Okay. Now I have trained Claude to write me actually 10 posts at once. Step 3. Write my 10 Facebook posts. So I come right here to the chat box at the bottom. I click inside it and I just start typing. Now I don't write anything complicated. I just tell Claude what I want. Like I'm texting a friend. Before I used to ask Claude build post by post, I would ask it something like this. Write me a Facebook post about why most people fail when they try to start a business online. And what they should do instead. Use my brand voice, no income claims. Now I have trained it to write me 10 posts and it does give me a variety of posts. I just tell it write my new post. That's it. I hit enter. Watch what it does. It's reading my brand brief right now. It knows my voice, my audience, my rules. It knows not to use hype or make money claims. All of that is already in there. Okay, look at this. It gave me all 10 hooks, the captions, and my call to action. The hook is the first line. That's the most important part of any post. That's what makes someone stop scrolling on Facebook and actually read what you wrote. Read the hook out loud with me. Now ask yourself, if you saw that on Facebook, would you stop scrolling? If the answer is yes, great. If you're not sure, no problem. I'll show you how to fix it in the next step. Now look at the body, short sentences, direct. No fluff. That's Joss E's voice. That's how I talk. And Claude knows that because of the brand brief we set up. And then the call to action at the end, join my free community, link in the description. Simple, one ask. Not 3. Now one thing I always check. I read the whole thing out loud to myself. If it sounds like something I would actually say, we're good. If something feels off, I just tell Claude to fix it. For example, if a sentence sounds too formal, I just type, line 3 sounds too stiff, rewrite it more casual, the way I actually talk. That's how easy it is to edit. Okay, now let's grade it. Step 4, grade the post. Before I post anything, I grade it. This is a rule I have. I type, grade this post out of 10. Tell me what's weak and exactly how to fix it. Okay, so it gave us a 7 out of 10. Not bad, but not good enough. Look at what it says is weak. The hook is okay, but it could be stronger, and the call to action is too vague. So I type, fix both issues, strengthen the hook, and make the CTA more specific, then regrade. Now look, 8.5 out of 10, much better. See the difference in the hook? It's more specific now. More direct. That's the kind of line that actually stops someone on Facebook. I don't post anything under an 8. That's my personal rule. If it scores under an 8, I keep fixing it until it gets there. Usually takes 1 or 2 rounds. This step takes 2 minutes, but it's the difference between a post nobody reads and a post that actually gets shared. Don't skip it. Step 5. Create a branded image in Higgsfield. Okay, now the fun part, the image. Every post I put out has a branded image with my real face on it, not a stock photo, not a cartoon. My actual face, on brand, with the hook text on it, and Claude creates it for me. Here's how it works, I type, create a branded social image for this post. Use my photo, black background, gold text, AI Digital Society style. Put the hook as the main text on the image. Now watch this. Claude is going to use my reference photos. I already have them uploaded and saved in my project folder. It knows exactly what I look like. It knows the brand colors, it knows the style, it picks my photo, places it, adds the text in the right font and color, and builds the whole graphic. And there it is. 1080 by 1350. That's the perfect size for Facebook and Instagram. My face, the hook text, black background, gold accents, on brand every single time. And it downloads automatically right here to my content folder. See, it's right there, ready to use. That's what goes on Facebook with the post. Step 6, create a short video. Now sometimes I also create a short video to go with the post. Not every time. But when I do, Claude handles that too with the Higgsfield app. I type, create a short video for this post. Use my reference photo. Same brand style, keep it simple and professional. Same process as the image. Claude uses my photo, builds the video, and downloads it to my folder. There it is. A short video of me exactly like I want. Then all I need to do is add the hook on it and caption which Claude will give me, and I can just copy and paste into Facebook, ready to upload to Facebook Reels or Instagram Reels. That's it. That took maybe 3 minutes from typing the request to having a finished video in my folder. No video editing, no filming, no lights or microphone, just Claude and my reference photo. Step 7, post to Facebook. Okay, now we post. Let's start with Facebook. I open Facebook in my browser and go to my page, AI Digital Society. I click Create Post. Now I go back to Claude. I copy the caption we wrote and graded. The full post text, come back to Facebook, click inside the text box, and paste it. Now I add the image. Click Add Photo/Video. Navigate to my content folder where the image downloaded. Click Open. Look at that. Post text image. On brand. Exactly what I wanted. Now, one thing I always check before I hit publish, I read the first 2 lines one more time, because on Facebook, people only see the first 2 lines before they have to click see more. Those first 2 lines have to be strong enough. Good. The hook is right there at the top. Now I add the hashtag in the caption. Hashtag a digital society. Always. That's the rule. And I either click publish now, or I schedule it. I usually schedule my posts so they go out at the best time. I click schedule, pick the day and time, and click schedule post. Done. Facebook post scheduled. Now for Instagram. Super easy. All I do is open Facebook on my phone, go to the post I want to share from Facebook, click the 3 dots on the upper right. You will see share to Instagram. All I do is share to Instagram and it will appear on my Instagram in a minute. I have a Facebook profile so I can't use Meta. Once you get this process all organized, it's super easy do. So let me recap what we just did. We opened Claude and went straight into our project. Everything already set up and waiting. We wrote a Facebook post in under 5 minutes, just by telling Claude what we wanted. We graded it, fixed the weak parts, and didn't publish it until it hit an 8 out of 10. We created a branded image with my real face on it. We created a short video the same way, and we posted both to Facebook and Instagram. with captions adapted for each platform. Solo, no team, no tech skills. And I want to say something directly to you. If you watch this whole video and you're thinking, I could never do, that you're wrong. Because this is exactly what I thought before I started. And now this is just my normal Tuesday morning. The only thing standing between you and this is actually starting. So here's what I want you to do right now. Download Claude. The link is in the description. Open it up tonight and just try writing one post one. And when you're ready to go deeper, join my free community on School. The link is in the description. Inside, there's a free training that walks you through the entire system I use to run AI Digital Society. I'll see you in the next video.